How to sign out of Instagram. If you no longer want to stay logged in or need to switch accounts, you can easily log out by following these steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you do not have the app, you can download it from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone and iPad. The steps for signing out are the same across all devices. On your Instagram home screen, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see the login section. Here, you will find different options such as Add Account and Log Out. If you want to log out of only your current account, tap on Log Out. If you have multiple accounts logged in and want to sign out of all of them at once, select all the accounts and then click on Log Out. This will remove all accounts from the Instagram app on your device. That's how you can sign out of Instagram.